Want to start your own online business and sell to customers in the USA, the UK, and Pakistan, all without spending a single penny upfront? It might sound too good to be true, but stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. This isn't just a dream, it's a real, actionable strategy that you can start today. We're talking about a business model that eliminates risk, inventory costs, and the usual headaches of starting up. So, what's the secret? It's a powerful combination of two things: print on demand and dropshipping. Let's break it down. Print on demand, POD, is a game changer. Here's how it works. You create cool designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, or phone cases. You then upload these designs to a print-on-demand platform. There are amazing companies out there like Printful, Printify, or Gelato. They handle everything: the printing, the packaging, and the shipping, but only after a customer places an order. This means you never have to buy a single item in advance. No boxers of unsold t-shirts gathering dust in your garage. You only pay for the product after you've already made the sale. That's what zero investment truly means. Now, how do you reach customers in the USA, UK, and Pakistan? This is where the magic of global e-commerce platforms comes in. You can set up your online store on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even use social media marketplaces. Let's take Etsy, for example. It has built an audience of buyers who are actively looking for unique, custom products. You create a listing on Etsy with your design, and when someone in New York or London buys it, the order is automatically sent to your print-on-demand partner. They have fulfillment centers all over the world, including in the US and Europe, which means faster, cheaper shipping for your international customers. But what about Pakistan? While direct pod integration might be a bit different, the dropshipping model works perfectly. You can partner with local suppliers or artisans in Pakistan. Find unique products. Maybe it's handcrafted leather goods, beautiful textiles, or spices. You can list these products on your online store or a marketplace like Daraz. When a customer in Pakistan places an order, you simply forward the order details to your local supplier, and they ship the product directly to the customer. You act as the bridge, the marketing expert connecting great products with eager buyers, and you take your cut from the sale without ever touching the inventory. The key to success in this business is finding your niche and creating great designs or curating excellent products. Think about what people are passionate about. It could be pets, hobbies like gardening or gaming, funny quotes, or local cultural references. Use free design tools like Canva to create your artwork. You don't need to be a professional graphic designer. Simple text-based designs or creative graphics can sell really well if they resonate with a specific audience. Do some market research. See what's trending on Etsy, Amazon, or even TikTok. What are people excited about right now? That's your gold mine. Let's talk about marketing, because that's how you get seen. The best part is, you can start with zero budget here too. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Create content that showcases your designs. Make mock-ups of your t-shirts and post them. If you're dropshipping products from Pakistan, create videos showing off the quality and craftsmanship. Run a poll, asking your followers which design they like better. Engage with communities that align with your niche. Join Facebook groups for dog lovers if you're selling dog-themed mugs. The goal is to build a community around your brand organically. So, let's recap the steps. First, choose your model. Print on demand for global markets like the US and UK, and dropshipping for the local market in Pakistan. Second, find your niche and create or source your products. Third, set up your online store on a platform like Etsy or Fourth, market your products for free using social media. This is a real sustainable business model that lets you be your own boss with global reach and zero financial risk. The only thing you need to invest is your time and creativity. If this has sparked an idea and you're ready to take the first step, let me know in the comments what niche you're thinking of. I'd love to hear your ideas. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips on building your online empire from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.